Here at Searcy Denney, we recognize that drug and medical device cases are very, very different than even other personal injury cases. It's for that reason that our law firm actually has set up a complete separate unit focused solely on these cases. Although they're a part of a personal injury practice and they share some similarities with the types of cases that are handled elsewhere in our law firm, they are nevertheless very distinct. We have a team of lawyers and dedicated staff members that do nothing but work on these cases. They require a different skill set. They require different administrative resources, and so that's why we thought it was really important for them to be handled in a different manner. The other thing that I think is really important is that our lawyers that are working on these cases, they're not also working on other types of cases. In order to give the clients the dedication that they need, it's really important that we not focus on a lot of other cases that might pull our focus away from their claims.
So here at Searcy Denney, your first contact is going to be with our intake department. They're going to walk you through the contract process, and they're going to gather the most pertinent information we need to make a determination as to whether your case is a case that we can move forward with and that we can prosecute on your behalf.
And all of the lawyers in our mass tort unit are involved in that intake process from the very first call. Once your case, you've talked to our intake people and we have sent you information about the firm and you've made the decision to hire Searcy Denney to represent you with regard to your case, the next 3 to 6 months are spent primarily focusing on gathering the medical records and other information we need to further evaluate your case. Before we can file any lawsuit in the court system, we have ethical obligations to make certain that the cases are well documented as far as your medical records and as far as the scientific evidence to support your claim.
So once we've made those early determinations, then you're going to start contacting our case managers, who are another really integral part of our team. And they're going to be the ones working hands-on to file your case, working with the attorneys to develop more of the information needed to prosecute your case successfully.
Our case managers are with a particular case or project from start to finish. Once the case is kind of been through the intake process and we know that it's a case that we want to litigate, the case managers become involved. They learn more about the case, the client. They have a lot of communication with the client, getting the information and evidence together that we need regarding their medical history, their damages, all of the types of things that will be very, very important when a lawsuit is filed. Once the lawsuit is filed, they'll put together discovery responses and they'll working hand in hand with the lawyer assigned to a particular project to make certain that the cases are prosecuted through the court system as efficiently as possible.